Have you ever wondered why companies like Google, Amazon, Microsoft, or even startups ask algorithm questions during interviews? The reason is simple. They are not checking whether you have memorized Java syntax. They want to understand how you think and solve problems. Every great software developer writes algorithms every day, even if they don't realize it. In this video, we will understand what an algorithm is, why it's important, and how it helps you become a better developer. Let's forget programming for a moment. Imagine someone asks you to make tea. You don't randomly throw everything into a pan. Instead, you follow a sequence of steps. First, boil water, then add tea leaves. Next, add milk. After that, sugar. Finally, boil and serve. Those step by step instructions form an algorithm. Programming works exactly the same way. Every program is simply a collection of algorithms solving different problems. An algorithm is simply a sequence of instructions that solve a problem. It takes some input, performs a set of logical steps, and produces the required output. Think of it like a recipe. The ingredients are your input. The cooking steps are the algorithm. The final dish is your output. Algorithms are everywhere. When Google Maps finds the shortest route, it's running an algorithm. When Instagram decides which post to show first, that's an algorithm. When YouTube recommends videos, multiple algorithms are working together. Even an ATM follows a sequence of logical steps before dispensing cash. So, algorithms are not just for interviews, they power almost every application we use daily. Many beginners confuse algorithms with programs. An algorithm is just the logic. A program is the implementation of that logic using a programming language. For example, finding the maximum number in an array is an algorithm. Writing that solution in Java or C++ creates the program. Different programmers may write different Java code, but if the logic is the same, they are implementing the same algorithm. Let's look at a simple problem. Find the largest number in an array. Before writing code, an experienced developer first thinks about the algorithm. Start by assuming the first number is the largest. Compare it with every remaining number. If you find a bigger number, update the largest value. After checking every element, the stored value is the answer. Notice that we solved the problem without writing any Java code. That's algorithm thinking. Not every sequence of steps is a good algorithm. A good algorithm should always produce the correct answer. It must eventually stop. It should not run forever. It should solve the problem efficiently using as little time and memory as possible. And finally, it should be easy to understand and maintain. Learning algorithms is much more than preparing for interviews. They teach you how to break large problems into smaller ones. They help you write faster and more efficient applications. Whenever your application becomes slow, the solution is often choosing a better algorithm rather than buying a faster server. Strong algorithm skills also improve your confidence while solving new problems. Now that you understand what an algorithm is, the next question is, how do we know whether one algorithm is better than another? If two solutions produce the same output, which one should we choose? The answer lies in the time complexity and big O notation. That's exactly what we will learn in the next video. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, let me know in the comments which algorithm you would like to learn first. In next video, we will understand time complexity and big O in the simplest way possible. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.